Hey YouTube, today I'm here with a straight hair tutorial, and before I jump into the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you like it. So really quickly before I jump into the video, I just want to show you all of the products that I'm going to be using today. My blow dryer, I am using the new Hot Shot Tool blow dryer with the comb attachment or brush attachment, I don't know what you call it. And I just want to say really quickly, this is a dream to work with. Like, I literally blow dried my hair in 10 minutes. And the flat iron that I'm using today is the Ion Eye Fusion Heat Therapy Styling Iron, and I'm not using the fusion part in this because this is discontinued, and I believe the fusion liquid to this is discontinued as well. So I'm just using the flat iron by itself, a dimming brush, and you just, I'm sure you've probably seen this before, but you just clamp your hair and chase your hair with the flat iron. Now, the first thing that I sprayed in my hair was this Keratin replenishment mist. I also used the Keratin styling cream. This whole line right here is so bomb for curly hair, straighten your hair, and it has no sodium chloride added, so this is not like keratin to permanently straighten your hair. It just has keratin in it, and it does not have formaldehyde in it. So these are good products to try. And when I was finished, I used the Keratin dry oil mist, and these three products together, so bomb. And I can usually never get my hair silky straight. I always have frizz, or it usually frizzes up in the next hour or the next day, but with this stuff it stays smooth all day for a week. So now I also use these other Ion products in the video, but they did absolutely nothing for my hair. This is a thickening styler and the volume builder spray, and you'll see me use these two things in the video, but my hair looks no different than what it usually does when I straighten it. So this is, you really don't need these products, but you're gonna see it in the video anyway. And I use this generic Blowout spray. It is a dupe for the Kenra blow dry spray, which I hear the Glam Twins talk about the Kenra blow dry spray all the time for their straight hair. So I wanted to try the generic version first, and this definitely did work because I've used this blow dryer before, and this blow dryer is really good on its own, but I feel like with this, the blow dry time went by so freaking fast, like you have no idea. And before I touched my hair with a flat iron, I used this Silk Elements Strengthening in Silk Coconut Heat Protecting Spray with silk. And as you can see, like, my hair is not greasy or weighed down whatsoever. Like, it's very lightweight and very shiny. Like, the lighting is not doing my hair no justice, but yeah, my hair is not greasy and it's not weighed down or stringy at all. Like, it's perfect. Thought my hair might be a little sticky or flaky, but my hair came out perfect. So if you want to see how I get my hair straight like this, then just keep watching. this.